Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore phone icon to home screen on your NUBIA Air. So basically, if you accidentally deleted phone icon from your home screen right here, don't worry, you haven't deleted it from your device, but you just deleted it from your home screen. And right now it's laying here in your app drawer, as you can see here, phone. So to restore it back to your home screen, just click and hold your app and drag it right here back to your home screen. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.